I've got a new beauty box from Cult Beauty and I'm going to show you what's inside. It's one of 2 new limited editions. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a Cult Beauty limited edition to share with you and it's the Routine Boosters Skin Edit. It is worth £185 and costs £42. The other limited edition is called the Routine Essentials Edit. That also costs £42 but has a value of £250. They're still available on their website, so you'll find links to them down below in my description, as well as a discount code. I managed to get 10% off mine, so if that still works, you'll see it down there as well, and down there you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. Now look, I'm a little bit late in showing you this. I have got next day delivery with Cult Beauty. I ordered it last Monday, so over a week ago, and it was due to arrive on Tuesday and it didn't. It was sent with Every and I had a notification to say that there is a delay but I should receive it hopefully on the Wednesday. No, nothing. So by Friday, still hadn't heard anything. Got in touch with Cult Beauty and they said it's lost in transit and they'll send me out another one. So here we are. So I was worried that it wouldn't be available because generally Cult Beauty boxes, they sell out super fast. But fortunately, it's still available. So if you're watching this and you like it, then at least you know that you can go and buy it. So it says, why is it Cult? Boost your weekly skin rituals with expert level treatments designed to reset and rejuvenate your complexion. Ideal for enthusiasts who have a thing for actives, this edit of targeted formulas will allow you to unlock facial worthy results at home. Starting off, we got the Ordinary. This is glycolic acid 7% exfoliating toner. And there's 100 mils here. It also contains amino acids, aloe vera, ginseng and Tasmanian pepperberry. It says to apply once daily, preferably in the evening. You apply to the face and neck and you do not rinse off. I've recently received one of these in a different beauty box, so I've got 2 now. So glycolic acid is to smooth skin's texture, create more of an even tone and enhance luminosity to the skin. So there's that. Then we've got Avene. This is Sulfate. I think that's how you say it. Restorative protection cream. Soothes and protects delicate, sensitive skin. And it helps to restore the skin's barrier. There's 40 mils there. Helps to replenish the skin's moisture barrier, helps to support the skin's restoration, soothe feelings of skin discomfort, very rich in Avene thermal spring water. The combination of copper sulfate and zinc sulfate helps to maintain healthy looking skin. Its creamy texture spreads on easily and creates a protective film that facilitates quality replenishment, and it's fragrance free. To apply twice a day to clean skin. That sounds really nice. Next, we got one of the reasons I went for this box, and it's from Thank You Pharma, and this is Sun Protect Water Sun Cream, SPF 50+, there's 50 mils here. Thank You Pharma is a Korean beauty brand. A real watery sunscreen cream with smooth and non-sticky texture. That's all it says about it. But I love this one, it is so good. I do really like it. It's really lightweight, as it says. It doesn't leave a sticky film. It's just such a gorgeous brand. I love it. I love Korean SPFs. The other one I love is Beauty of Joseon, the rice SPF, the rice probiotic SPF. That's a beautiful one as well. But yeah, this is just so nice because it's lightweight and it's hydrating and it sits really nicely on my skin. So yeah, so I'll be saving that for when I need it. I've got a few SPFs on the go at the moment. So happy with that. And then we have got Ren Clean Skincare. This is Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. It soothes and nourishes. It's for sensitive skins, or suitable for sensitive skins, and it's 30 mils there. Now, unfortunately for me, this is a little bit too heavy. Although saying that, I am, as I've mentioned previously in other videos, I am on medication called spironolactone. It's because I've got polycystic ovary syndrome, so it helps with getting rid of excess oil, greasy scalp and my acne. I've recently been diagnosed with androgenic alopecia, which is male pattern baldness, or female pattern baldness then basically. The doctors have upped my spironolactone. I just want to smell it. No smell. So they've upped my spironolactone, so I'm hoping that my skin won't go too dry, and if it does, then this might work. But When I last tried it a few months ago, no, I didn't like it. It was literally like putting a lip balm on my face. So I think it'd be a really nice product, like for cuticles or for really dry skin. It just felt like I had a mask on my face. Yeah, what's it say about it? The rich night balm feeds your skin with lipids from olive, almond, borage and linseed oils that have been activated to be easily absorbed into the skin to intensely nourish and moisturize while you sleep when the skin's own regenerative process takes place. Oh, the writing is really, really small. So it sounds really good. So I won't get rid of it because I don't have anything like this. That just in case my skin does go a little bit dry now that I'm up in my medication. Hopefully not. We will see anyway. Oh, I like the sound of this. I haven't tried this before. This is Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. It's a lip balm and gloss in one. They do the most amazing smelling products. I wonder if I've had a little mini. I have got loads of Laneige sleep balms. This ultra moisturizing non-sticky formula deeply hydrates lips and delivers the shine of a gloss with the comfort of a balm. Hyaluronic acid is paired with a nourishing plum blend to create a moisture locking barrier, naturally smoothing and plumping lips. Woo! Okay, oops. Oh, it hasn't got a little spatula. They do in the Laneige ones because obviously I've got nails. It's a bit of a pain getting in there. No, that's a bit annoying. It's alright, I've got a few little spatulas, but that's what it looks like. Not a really strong scent. That's fine. That is fine. Then we got Paula's Choice. This is C15 Super Booster. 15% vitamin C with vitamin E and ferulic acid. For all skin types, it brightens dullness for a radiant complexion. There's 20 mils here. I've actually got one of these in my little beauty area that I haven't used yet. You mix it with other products. So once or twice daily, apply to the face or neck. May be used alone or added to your favourite moisturiser or serum. For daytime, follow with a broad spectrum SPF or sunscreen. So 15% vitamin C is fab. That's really good. So yeah, no, I haven't tried it yet. I've got to be careful, haven't I, with how long I keep my beauty products for. I don't want them like to go off or go out of date. Oh, this one says here expires 2026, February 2026. Hopefully the one I've got has got a date on it as well. But I love vitamin C. I wear it every single day. So yeah, I'm surprised I haven't tried it yet. We got Medik8, one of my favourite skincare brands. It's very pricey, which is why I love it when we get them in beauty boxes. This is Crystal Retinol 6 Stable Retinol Night Serum. There's 4 mils here, so it's a little sample one. But 6 is good. I'm currently on 10. Well, I haven't been using 10 for a couple of weeks because I'm testing out a face mask at the moment. 10 was making my skin a little bit red, so I've sort of stepped back a little bit. So I will be starting it up again now once I've done my review for the LED mask. But yeah, I've worked my way up the Medik8, the retinol stages, but number 6, you know, it's free. I'll use it. I'm not going to turn it down. I was gutted a couple of months ago in a beauty box. I don't know what one it was. We had a full size Crystal Retinol 1 and I was thinking, oh, that is a little bit too low for me. And yeah, I gave it to my friend as a present instead. But I was gutted as I love this brand so much, but never mind. Then we have got Dr. Dennis Gross, and this is Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel, a patented 2-step peel with 7 AHAs, BHAs to help smooth fine lines, minimise the look of pores, improve the texture of uneven tone and texture, achieve clinical results at home. There's 3 treatments in here. Just get them out and show you. So you've got stage 1 to exfoliate and smooth, and then stage 2 an anti-aging neutralizer. Even though it's extra strength, it does say here that you can use it daily, but if sensitivities do arise, then they do recommend stopping. It says smooth radiant skin in 2 minutes. And then lastly, we've got Shiseido. This is Vital Protection Uplifting and Firming Express Eye Mask. I do like this, especially when I'm going out. Not that I go out often, but if I'm like I don't know, just go into Cardiff for the day or something like that. That's, for me, it's like going out. I live really far away. Obviously, I live in Wales, but Cardiff is like nearly 2-hour drive away, and I live nowhere really exciting, even though I was invited this week to attend a Lush PR event in Cardiff. I was invited today, and the event's in 2 days' time, and I can't do it. I literally can't do it. My husband isn't going to be here to help with childcare. Well, it's not so much childcare, it's like taking to school, picking up from school and things. But everything that I'm invited to is all in London. Nothing is in Wales. So I was gutted, especially Lush as well. It sounded amazing, but hopefully they will remember me if ever they were to do one again. So this is the sort of thing I save this mask for, like if I was going to an event or shopping, a night out, things like that then, you know. Especially if I've got really dark under eyes, if I haven't had a great night's sleep. They're great. So there you go, those are all the items inside. I forgot what it's called. The Routine Boosters Edit. It cost £42, but I got 10% off, which is about £5, isn't it? Something around there. And it has a value of £185. There's some products in there I've tried before. There's some I haven't. It's a really good mix, especially if you want to get into your actives as well. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go for it, or did you go for the other limited edition? Or are you watching this, you're not sure whether you like it or not? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.